Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to hide and show mouse cursor on Bluestacks. So how to hide the mouse right here, as you can see right here. This is the mouse or the cursor in Bluestacks. So to hide it, because it's very hard to play with this, as you can see. Um, Before I start, a quick tip for you guys. You, for example, you're playing Code M and you don't the controls are not working, the WS can't work. Click here and choose let's say Code M. You'll be able to choose which one you want. Let's say multiplayer. Then you're gonna put it back right there. Then on multiplayer mode, I can move as white. And if it's still not working, click on Control Editor. Here you'll be able to control right here. You'll be able to change stuff, add stuff. Right there, you can change the T, you can do W, blah blah blah, and so on and so forth. We're just gonna say save on that, then we're gonna close that up there. Now let's talk about how to remove this cursor and how to move, because it's very hard to use this like that. You're gonna move up and down. It's very hard to use it. So to do that, all you need to do is it's very simple, guys. As you can see, just gonna put it on full screen. So all you need to do is click on F1 on your keyboard. As you can see, the crosshair is now gone. All you need to do is just click F1 on your keyboard. There you go. All you need to do is click one. Whoop, we're gonna shoot. Ooh, sorry, my aim is bad. There you go. So all we need to do is just click on F1, and to bring back the cursor again, just click on F1 again. As you can see, it is now back. My cursor is now back. Give F1 to make it disappear, and F1 again to make it reappear. As you can see, I'm doing a tutorial right now. There you go. Turn me to right click. There you go. So there you go, guys. That's how you make your your what do you call this? Your cursor disappear and reappear again. And a quick tip for you guys. Let's say it's bugging and F1 is not working. All you need to do is restart your what do you call this, Bluestacks. To restart your Bluestacks, just close your app and then play it again. That's all you need to do. And if still not working, do what I did, just full screen it. Put it on full screen first, then click on F1. There you go. If it's still not working from there on, I suggest you re-download the game and download it again. Maybe it's a little bit bugging, but obviously the restart your BlueStack will work and the full screen will 100% work. So yeah, there you go. That's about it. So I hope you guys get the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it on the comment section below. Happy to answer you, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.